Okay, we're back trying to get some work done on our 41 WLD motor here, stroker motor, but we're lacking some camshafts. So I'm pretty well done with putting this motor together until I come up with the cams, and we need some help. So the problem is I bought 2 sets of cams from these guys here, and they will not contact us anymore. So I need help with somebody in the Pennsylvania area that can go over and knock on some doors and say, hey, where is Tatro's crap? So basically we have 2 sets of cams I ordered up. This is one set here. This is for the other motor, not for this particular one. And we need cams. So these have different lobes put on here. And we're short. So let me show you what we got going on over here. And I can't drive across country to go beat on the guy's door, so this is the other 2 cams here for that set. This is set number 2. We're missing set number 1. These are my numbers right here that I'm looking for. So the top set here is the set we need, which is a C2 and an A1 exhaust cam. This other set is the B2 and the C2. That's what this lobe here is. So this set we have. The other set was made wrong and I sent them back, and that was 2.5 years ago, I think, a couple years ago. So here's my computer showing you what's going on. So these are the lobes here that we're supposed to get right here. So how this is going to work on video, we'll find out, I guess. So anyway, these are the again C2 and A1. So these are 2 lobes here that I'm supposed to have that I don't have, and these are the 2 lobes here that I do have for the other set. So that set I do have. Set 2 is sitting here, set 1. Set 1 came in wrong, so I sent it back. I guess that was a mistake. I didn't know this guy was going to turn out to be a bum. Did I clean that up enough? So basically this here is what we got in cams that were sent to me. This is the lower set here that I have. This is the set that's missing. So if you notice, all these lobes look the same, which was made wrong because they're supposed to be different style lobes. So, but anyway, I'll take anything right now. I just need to get these cams back so I can put this motor together. So if anybody can help me by going to that guy and tell him I want my parts. So this here is the guy here, it's American Cycle Fabrication Shop. They don't return emails, they don't answer phones, they don't do nothing. They're still in business, it looks like. So this is their homepage and stuff here. So anyway, here is their website. They're still advertising to do stuff. They're not doing it. This is their building. So this is supposed to be their address right here. This is the actual real address as far as we can tell. And that's their damn door. So I need somebody to go pound on their door and say, Tatro wants his parts back. Send them as is. Any condition, I don't care. I've got multiple emails where he says he's working on stuff. Here's a close-up of a shot they had, so I know it's the same building. This is off their website. This is their building. The picture they actually give you is, this is the picture that comes up over their address, but that's not them. This is their building over here. So anyway, I don't know who can help me on this. I'm sure there's some viewers back east that might be able to do that for me. I just need my parts. Don't threaten them, don't do anything, just go over there and say hello and say Tatro needs his stuff now. Tired of waiting. So now what he has in my stuff is obviously this set of cams here that I sent back here, and then this is what they all look like. Looks like it's a number 3 grind on them. So yeah, so this is his grind number here. This is a cam number. This is number 1 cam, number 3 grind. So it looks like that was what was on it. The other cams, they got to have number 4 on them. So to me it looks like he's got this lobe on everything, but whatever. That's my motor. I sent him a set of these valves here to look at so he can see what race parts look like. So he has this stuff right here. He's got a couple sets of this stuff. I sent him an intake and exhaust valve kit with all my cut down collars and keepers and springs that I use. This is the Harley racing spring from S&S. This is my spring, my collars, my keepers, my custom valves from Manley. These are the Manley valves right here, different head sizes I have. I had all that stuff custom made. I sent him samples of all this stuff so he can see how it's made, so he can upgrade his crappy ass stuff he has. So all of this stuff is missing too. So we got 2 sets of valves, train stuff here, and then he has that full set of cams. So anyway, this is all stuff I'm waiting to get back. See, this is what I cut these down and make them like, this is what you start with. It looks like that when you're done. Look how much you cut this one down from this one. See, that's how you get parts. You gotta make them. So anyway, I need the cams. So that's the lobes I have. Back to the picture I'm looking for. There we go. So this is the set here that we're looking for, right up in here. I don't know if you can take a picture or a screenshot of that. That's what we're looking for. There's a close-up of the lobe. So there's a better close-up of it. So anyway, that's the kit. I'm looking for that set there, and then my 2 sets of valves I sent them. So like I said, I don't know what anybody can do for me to help me on this, but that's the help I need. Like I said, this is what the building is. Where's the other picture? What did I do? Delete it? I lost the picture. Yeah, I killed it. I hit the wrong button. I know how to get to it. It's right here. So anyway, like I said, that is the building right there. It looks like that. What was this road you said? Harley Road?
Harley Road.
It's Harley Road is the name of that road. Wonder how that came from. Anyway, like I said, this is the address. It's from Google. I'll blow it up better like this. So that's their address there. That's not the street they say. They say they're on this street here. I don't know. It's got more than one street. Go grab me that box again. So I'll get you a picture of the box. Anyway, this is their website. Paul is the guy we're looking for. Denise is his wife. I've got emails where they say they're sending stuff. I haven't seen it yet. There you go. That's the name right off the box they sent to me. So that's what we're looking for. So I started this project in May of 15. This is on my computer here. That's her dates. And I'll blow it up. So the last email I got from her was right here saying Paul's got everything indexed, waiting to be welded. They're going to be out next week. That was on 5/28/17. On March of 17, they said they were going to go out next week. So that was 2 months later, right? And then, of course, the month before that, they said basically the same thing. They're sitting on his workbench, ready to come. So it's been going on for a while. Then, like I said, 16 is when I got the cams originally. Back in June of 16 is when I sent them back. Here, yeah, there's our Facebook page. So I started this stuff in 15, a year before. It took me a year to get them the first time, and now we're 2.5 years later, and I still got nothing. So anyway, that's all we can do. So like I said, let me know if anybody can help me. I definitely need help. So like I said, we're looking for another set of cams. Not exactly this set, but another set. So these are the grind numbers here that I was supposed to get. It's set number 1 is the one that's missing. So this is my information here. So you can contact me anywhere through here, through YouTube, through not Facebook, but email is all I do. I don't do Facebook. So anyway, let me know what you can do, if you can help me or not. I definitely need help. So if you get me set up, I'll help you out anywhere I can on whatever project you're on. So we try to help everybody we can around here. But anyway, that is what the building looks like, even though the address doesn't match. But there you go. So anyway, whatever you can do to help,